Note, this presentation may be long, as everything shown on it is in very detailed manner. I request you to please be till the end. What is an operating system? An operating system is a basic software that makes a computer hardware operational. We can also say that it is the master control program of a computer, because without OS the computer's hardwares are useless. The main function of the operating system is to manage the available hardware and software resources to achieve efficient operation. It enables users and other programs to operate and communicate with the computer. There are 7 major kinds of operating system. They are 1. Single user and multi-user. 2. Real-time. 3. Distributed. 4. Multiprocessor. 5. Interactive and batch processing. 6. Multi-threading. 7. Multitasking. A single-user OS allows only one user to work with computer system at one time, means a computer having low system configuration can also run this type of OS on only a CPU. But in multi-user OS, it's totally different, because a multi-user OS enables multiple users to work on the same computer system at different times or simultaneously, means it is much better than a single-user OS. But to need this type of OS, we need a computer with medium or high configuration. Microsoft DOS is a type of single-user OS, whereas Unix is an example of multi-user OS. Real-time OS. A real-time OS is a computing environment that reacts to input within a specific period of time, or immediately. It is used in robots, in complex animations, weapon and defense system, air traffic controls, etc. To make immediate decision we use real-time OS. The name matches to its work. Examples are Windows CE and Linux OS are examples of real-time operating system. I hope that you are enjoying the presentation. Let's continue. 3. Distributed. A distributed OS runs on a set of computers that are interconnected by a network. It combines the different computers in a network into a single integrated computer in such a way that the users think that they are working on a single computer. That means this OS needs a better internet connection between interconnected devices. Linux and Windows 2003 are examples of a distributed OS. 4. Multiprocessor. Some of the computers are designed to have several CPUs, like the satellite control and large business enterprises to archive exceptionally high processing power. The power of this types of computer is too much. That's the reason to use multiprocessor OS to handle and use the resources properly. Examples are Windows NT, Solaris, Digital Unix, OS/2 and Linux are some example of multiprocessor OS. 5. Interactive and batch processing. First let's see interactive processing. An interactive processing allows the users or other programs to perform input-output at any time during other processing. These interactions may take place through a graphical user interface, GUI, or a character user interface, CUI. Some examples are Macintosh, Mac, and Windows 7, Windows 10 and Kali Linux GUI version. Now let's see what is batch processing. A batch processing OS does not allow intermittent input-output. Only a punch card was used. It was used from 1890 to 1960. MVS is the examples of batch processing OS. 6. Multi-threading. A task or process may be broken into many simpler sub-processes called threads. A multi-threading OS breaks a process into threads, executes multiple threads, and combines the results to produce the final output. Multi-threading OS achieve higher degree of efficiency by executing many threads parallelly. Windows 10 and Unix are examples of multi-threading OS. 7. Multitasking. A multitasking OS enables a single CPU to execute several tasks simultaneously. It switches the CPU from one task to another so quickly and efficiently that all the tasks appear to be carried out simultaneously. Windows 10 is an example of multitasking OS. You can run many applications together on a single CPU of a Windows 10 computer. What is the purpose of a OS? The purpose of a OS is to perform the instructions given by a user by using the hardware of the system and show the output. It also works as a translator between the user and the computer. There are three major OS brands in the market. 1. Windows, developed by Microsoft. 2. Mac, developed by Apple Inc. 3. Kali Linux, developed by Offensive Security. History of computers. MS-DOS. This was the first OS from Microsoft released on 1985. It was a CUI interface OS. Windows 1.0. It has extended MS-DOS. This was basically an improved version of MS-DOS. This was the first GUI OS made by Microsoft Corporate. Windows 2.0. It is also same as Windows 1.0, but it has a very major update that you can also manage the memory system according to your need. The UI was also improved. Fact. Windows 1.0 file size was only 541.38 kilobytes. Nowadays Windows 11 size is 7.6 gigabytes. It's a massive difference.
Many version of Windows past. Windows 3.0, Windows 95, 98, NT. Windows XP, Windows 7. Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10. This is the latest version of Windows OS named Windows 11. It is very powerful OS.